In this video, we'll be learning how to use Google Ads in order to drive paid traffic to your website. So if that's something you'd like to learn, then watch this video. So first, you'll need to have a Google Ads account. So if you don't have one yet, you can just search Google Ads and go to their homepage and just click Start Now. Okay, so now that you have a Google Ads account, we can start creating a campaign. So first, you want to go to Create and then Campaign. Okay, so for this campaign, we're going to be driving traffic to my SaaS product, searchinsight.io. So we're just going to be looking to generate website traffic. So here we're going to click website traffic. Okay, so it's asking us if we'd like to use conversion goals. So this is a bit more advanced. So essentially it's tracking not based on a website click, but based on an action taken on the website, such as a phone call or a form submit or a certain type of page view. So that's also another option you have. But for now, we're just going to stick with website traffic. So click continue. And then we're just going to stick with search here. Okay, so add in the website that you want to direct the traffic to. And then just give it a campaign name. Okay, we're going to focus on clicks. And then we're going to click next. Okay, so for now, we're going to disable search and display network. It is more reach, but we're just going to focus on Google search engine directly. Okay, so we're going to target United States. Okay. Let's actually go a bit deeper. Let's just target New York. Okay, New York. And this one is important. You want to make sure it's based on presence. So that means people that are actually residing in that location. If you just click presence or interest, it could be people also just searching for the location, such as New York. Okay, and then this is good. Yeah, just keep this as English because our ad's going to be in English. Okay, we don't need to segment our audience for now. Okay, and ad rotation, so it's going to show the best performing ad. So just keep it as default for now. Okay, so yeah, so we're going to be looking at the ad schedule. So if you're a service businesses that only works, say, Monday to Friday, then you can add that here, say Monday to Friday from 9 to 5. But we're just going to disable that for now because we're driving the traffic to a software product. So click next. Okay, so now we have, if you enter your website, it'll give you a list of keywords. So we can just run through these. So the product is a SEO report generator. So we can check here which of these keywords match with that. So it's not free, so we can remove anything really that says free. So let's just, yeah. So you'll need to do a comprehensive research on what keywords you want to specifically target. So we're just going to erase everything and just start from scratch. So we can just search SEO software. So you see here at the bottom, it says these are the modifiers. So using quotations is just a broad match. So that means anything kind of within the realm. So it's giving more leeway towards what kind of queries will show your ad. But if you're really trying to fine tune your ad, then I would recommend using just the exact match and just being more active with finding definite keywords. So SEO software, SEO audit. And you'll also save more money because you won't be spending money on ads. You won't show up for queries that's not relevant to your ad. So let's just do a few more here. So SEO reports, SEO audit tool, SEO tools. Okay, and yep, and that should be enough. Okay, so this is the ad now, the ad portion. Okay, so we do offer a free trial. So we can use that as a way to kind of do click-through rate optimization. So just using a very catchy title. So display path, say free trial. And again, headline. So they recommend at least 3. Okay, SEO. So they're giving you ideas. So let's just use these. Okay, and then I really want to focus on the free trial. And then SEO reports help improve your SEO rankings. So we're not going to pin any of these yet, but if you want to kind of stick one to one certain position, say you want this one to be first, then you can just click pin here. But we're just going to let Google rotate through these and do A/B testing to see which one is generating the best combinations. Okay, so next we need to add our description. So let's see what ideas they have. Okay, so we can just use these ideas and just add to it. So it requires at least 2. So SEO reports to improve website rankings. And again, just want to emphasize the free trial. Okay, and then image, there's no image because it will be ranking in search. Okay, and then links. So these are just additional links you can add. Say if you have like a services page, multiple services pages. If you're like a plumber, then it'll look something like this. But we're just focusing on getting clients to the home page. So we can just keep that blank for now. Okay, and the next add URL. So this is just for tracking. Okay, and then click done. Okay, so this is our first ad here. And let's click next. Okay, so now it's asking for a budget. So based on your keywords that you're searching for and the demographic that you're targeting, it'll give you a recommended budget. But you can just click set custom budget. And it'll give you like an estimate of how many clicks you'll get. So let's just start with $10 a day. Okay, and then click next. Okay, so it's just giving some recommendations here. Yeah, so just look through your overview. Just look through the overview of your campaign to make sure everything is correct. And then when you're ready to go, you click publish campaign. Okay, so now our campaign is published. So now our campaign is active. So the first few days will be for testing. So that's how you would make just a basic campaign using Google Ads. That's the end of this video. I hope you're able to create your own search campaigns for your website using Google Ads. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.